What are variational autoencoders, VAEs, in generative AI? Imagine a machine that not only learns to understand data but also creates new data that looks just like the original. That's what variational autoencoders do in the world of artificial intelligence. They are a special kind of model in deep learning that can generate new images, sounds, or text by understanding the patterns in existing data. Unlike simple autoencoders that just copy data, VAs learn a way to representing data as a range of possibilities, which makes them very good at creating new, similar content. VAs are made up of three main parts. First, the encoder takes in data like pictures or words and turns it into two sets of numbers. One set shows the average, and the other shows how much the data varies. These two sets define a probability distribution, which is like a map of all the possible features of the data. Next, instead of just saving one fixed point, VAs pick a random point from this distribution. This randomness helps the model produce different outputs that are still similar to the original data. Finally, the decoder takes this random point and turns it back into data. Because it's working from a distribution, it can create new images or text that are unique but still familiar. The real magic of variational autoencoders is their probabilistic approach. They don't just memorize data, they learn the underlying patterns and how features vary. This makes them powerful tools for generating diverse outputs, especially in areas like image synthesis, where they can produce new pictures similar to those they trained on. They also serve as building blocks for more advanced models and can be combined with other techniques like generative adversarial networks to improve the quality of generated data. In the broader field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, VAs show how combining deep learning with probability helps machines not just copy but invent new data. This is similar to how models like ChatGPT generate text or DALL-E and Midjourney create images. VAs give us a way to understand and manipulate the data's underlying structure, making them essential in the development of creative AI systems. However, using VAs also raises ethical questions. Since they can generate realistic images or text, there is concern about misuse, such as creating fake content or violating copyrights. Understanding how VAs work helps developers create responsible AI tools and set guidelines for their safe use. To sum up, variational autoencoders are a key part of generative AI. They encode data into a probability-based space and then decode it to produce new, realistic data samples. This ability to generate diverse and high-quality content makes them a vital technology for creative and practical applications in artificial intelligence.